Hi everyone, this is Aaron for Zollotech, and this is going to be a pretty quick comparison between the original Time Capsule here on the left and the newer Time Capsule here on the right. The original Time Capsule came out in about 2008, around February or so, and was $299 with a 500 gigabyte hard drive. And what it is a full router or wireless base station that also includes a hard drive within this unit that allows you to back up your Mac via Time Machine. This is also the same thing, has a hard drive as well, and this is the latest model. The Time Capsule on the left was $299 for 500 gigabytes or $499 for 1 terabyte. The one on the right here is $299 for 2 terabytes or $399 for 3 terabytes. Let's take a look at the side. You can see this is pretty big. This kind of looks like the original Apple TV, a little bit bigger, and this one also looks like a larger Apple TV. This one is more vertical, and this one is more horizontal or flat. The bottom is rubberized. The bottom of this Time Capsule isn't so rubberized. It kind of has a little rubbery texture, but has vents for fans, so it can draw the air out or in. I'm not sure which way it works, as I haven't plugged it in yet. But you can see it's significantly smaller, but both of them have a full 3.5 hard drive in them. This one, they kind of fit it in this way or sideways if you saw a teardown from iFixit. Obviously this one lays flat, and you can see they're both pretty substantial. They're both about 3 pounds, maybe a little bit more. And on the back we have pretty much the same ports. We have 3 Ethernet ports and then our normal WAN connection, and then a USB 2.0, USB 1.0, and then on this one we have a Kensington lock and a reset button, and then there's a reset button. This was a great unit for me, although it died today, actually, the day I'm filming this video. I was out of the house, came back, and it was off, even though it was plugged in. It's about 5 years old. I got it right when it came out, and it served me well for all of that time. In fact, I use an Airport Express as my main router until I got this. And this was my extended router because it's not dual band. This is the original. It does A, B, and N, or A, B, G, and N rather, and is single band. So you can't have B and N at the same time. You have one or the other. This new router can do A, B, G, N, and AC, which is the newer standard, super fast, and also has beamforming, which will kind of direct the signal towards whatever device you're using that has AC, which is pretty much only the MacBook Air at this point, and I don't have one of those. So this one was really nice, works great, and has served me very well, has great range. I've found that my Airport Express has fantastic range, although I haven't used it on this one yet. Not sure how I feel about the design on either one, but they're both simple. They both have a little light here. You can see there's a light here, and they simply are green if everything's good, and they're orangish or flashing if they're not good. One more simple comparison. These are the plugs, old on the right. Let me swap them so they're correct. New on the right, old on the left, and then basically the same on the other ends. So Apple's continued to update their design. iOS 7's just around the corner. The new MacBook Airs are out, and we also have some new iPhones probably coming up, and some new iPads and all sorts of things, and it's interesting to see how they keep continuing this design. I'm not sure how I feel about the whole vertical tower look, but it'll probably grow on me over time. I'm curious to see what you think about that. Please let me know in the comments below which one do you like better design-wise. Have you used either of these, and if so, what are your thoughts on that? I did, so you know, try to get this covered under recall. I brought it into AppleCare. They did just about everything they could to try and help me out, but it just wasn't within warranty. And I'll probably do a separate video of how to fix it. It does turn on and then kind of shuts off, so maybe it's something I can fix, possibly just a bad hard drive. It's hard to say. So again, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any questions, please place them there as well. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.